Welcome to an overview of MiCatX creating a HelpDesk job. Log into MiCat using your Hardcat credentials and navigate to HelpDesk. A list of existing jobs will be displayed. Click on the plus button to open a new problem. All the name defaults to the person logged in, but this can be changed as shown. The problem type is selected using a similar method. Navigate to the problem type required and select to bring it back to the main screen. This defaults the problem description. This can be adjusted as needed. The owner is not required but can be populated. The asset name can also be populated by either scanning a barcode as shown or by manual entry of the barcode. The location is selected using the same method as for people and for the problem type. The engineer defaults to the default engineer setup in the system, but this can be changed if required. Other fields such as status, escalation, date required, time required, and priority can all be adjusted as shown. At any point you can save to save any details that you have entered. Pressing the back arrow will take you back to the list of problems. Otherwise, you can remain in the problem page and add other details such as actions, text, images as shown. Images can be attached either using the camera function or retrieving from your hard drive. Press save to save all the job details, and then back arrow to return to the list of jobs.